Burger 2 is the #1 original movie on Paramount Plus ever.
Oh my God.
Oh my God is right.
This supersized sequel is the best kind of nostalgic throwback.
The Madison County Sheriff has issued a civil emergency. A gas leak is in progress. Residents in the area evacuate to the church at 2332 W2000S. Contact Madison County at 208-359-3010 for additional information. This message was sent by the Idaho State Communications Center and is now concluded. The last civil emergency message was intended for citizens in the area of 5181 W3800S and within 1/2 mile of this location in Madison County. This message was sent by the Idaho State Communications Center and is now concluded.